Discover Lake Garda. Your Italian adventure awaits. Dreaming of Italy? Skip the crowds and dive into the breathtaking beauty of Lake Garda. We're about to reveal 13 must-do activities that will make your trip unforgettable. Get ready to be amazed. Lake Garda is dotted with picturesque towns, each with its unique charm. Sirmione boasts a stunning Scaligere castle, while Riva del Garda is a haven for water sports enthusiasts. Explore the colorful streets and soak in the Italian atmosphere. From windsurfing and sailing to kayaking and paddleboarding, Lake Garda is a water sports paradise. The crystal clear waters and consistent winds make it perfect for both beginners and experienced adventurers. Get ready to make a splash. Lace up your boots and explore the stunning trails surrounding Lake Garda. Hike to breathtaking viewpoints, discover hidden waterfalls, and immerse yourself in the region's natural beauty. The views are simply unforgettable. Looking for some family fun? Gardaland Resort is Italy's largest theme park, offering thrilling rides and entertaining shows for all ages. It's the perfect place to create lasting memories with your loved ones. Lake Garda boasts numerous beaches, perfect for sunbathing and swimming. From sandy shores to pebble beaches, there's a spot for everyone to relax and soak up the Italian sun. Don't forget your sunscreen. Ready to experience the magic of Lake Garda? Visit our website to discover detailed itineraries, book tours, and find the perfect accommodation for your dream vacation. Don't wait. Start planning your Italian adventure today.